this video, we'll show you how to add a job in the MyJobsManager app. Creating a new job is really easy. Just click on the plus button in the top right corner. Enter the job type, client, and, depending on the job, the crop type. Click on Continue to enter all the needed job details, date and duration. Add one or several fields. In Equipment and People, you can select the operator, machine, and also the implement. If you need more equipment to fulfill the job, click on Add Work Assignment. In seeding information, you can select the seed variety and the seeding rate you want to apply. If you have additional application products, you can also add them in Application Product Information. In Additional Instructions, you can add notes for the operator. And finally, under the tab Invoicing Information, you can select 4 different items that you need recording for invoicing. By clicking Save, the job is finalized and visible in the calendar. You can edit all the information of the job anytime by selecting it and then clicking on Edit. Here you can also delete the job. As soon as you save the job, the data will automatically be synchronized with the MyJobs Operator app. You can also complete the job by pressing the Complete Job button. To create a job even faster, there is also a copy and paste function. Press again on plus. You can select an already existing job from the list, copy from recent jobs. In our example, we just changed the client, and then of course the corresponding fields. You then only click on Save, and the job is online in the calendar and synchronized with the relevant operators.